Hello, this is Eric for the market analysis for the coming week from the 14th of April. So we are going to look at the potential for next week. There will be some change about the market analysis because from now I will make only one video on the 9 pairs, and then I will, if I see anything on H4, H1 during the week, I will tweet and also will put an article on my blog. So make sure you go to my blog, click on the link below, and get my Twitter account to make sure to receive my tweets as soon as I see anything on H4, H1, because I made analysis on H1, but I am mainly an H1 trader. Let's start it by the euro dollar. So as you can see, the euro dollar, it's a uptrend. We have seen a strong move up, so we need to see some retrace. The AO is good. The first thing I look at is the awesome oscillator, or the EUR, the improvisation of the awesome oscillator from Bill Williams at the bottom. So I need to have this set up around the zero line. Here I also need to see some tight box, the fractal box, which is the area between the self-fractal and the bifractal. So here we don't have this. It would take some days. I don't see any opportunities on dailies, but it's clearly an uptrend. So we may look at potential trades, long trades on H4 and H1. We move to the second major, which is cable. Here we are just broke the level. It's last week, and it's too early it's too late or too early to enter now. It might be another move, but we do need also to have a smaller box. Dollar yen. It's dollar yen on dailies. So we were in a trend, in a trade, and unfortunately it took a hit or stop loss for BE, or a small loss. So now it's going to cross the zero line again. It's potentially it's a wave 5 down, but also I need to see. I have a huge box, so I need to wait for some retracement, and then to have a lower, smaller box. Swissy dailies. We had an amazing H1 trade last week, but now it's I need some retrace, and we need to see again exactly like UJ. We may need to have a smaller box. It was not an entry for us. Here it's a straight move of 150 pips. We need to see some retracement. OC, Australian dollar, US dollar. We are in a wave 3 clearly. It's not time. You can see the AO is very far away from the zero line, so there's nothing to do except to be patient. There is no setup. There won't be any setup next week. We move to euro yen, and now we have a sleeping alligator, which we like. Cross of zero line. We need to see a smaller box. Maybe in a couple of days we'll have another upper level, and if we have any signals, long or short, it will be very interesting for us. A quick look on the weekly chart to see that we are in a huge move, which wave 3. Now it's starting to slow down, so it might be time for a a retracement. So I will look at any opportunities, short or long, as long as we have a small fractal box. We move to QE, strong wave 5. It's starting to slow down again. We have a good bearish diversion candle, but as you can see again, we are far away from the stop, from the zero line, so no entry here. We need to wait 1 week or two to see a setup. US dollar CAD. So we have seen 5 waves completed. It broke with no setup because, as you can see, there is a huge fractal box. So we need now to see some retracement, and we want to move in order to get a smaller tight box. And finally, the gold US dollar charts, a strong move down, then a retracement. It might be time now for another move down, or it could be also another move up. But as you can see on the weekly chart, it's more like it's completely a downtrend. We have seen a good bearish diversion candle, so I would expect a setup here for short, but I would need definitely a smaller box, probably the EUR coming back to the zero line before the setup. So no real opportunity for the next couple of days, but we have to look at carefully midweek. I would like to add again that I'm not a daily chart trader, so what I'm going to do again is to look at the potential on H4, H1, and as soon as I see it, I'll just tweet it. So get ready to receive some tweets. I will, right after my tweet, I will certainly put some article or some notes on my blog under the signal pages. So that's all for the analysis of the coming week. As you can see, we have to be patient to see a very good setup, and I hope you are more comfortable now to analyze the charts. Again, look at my blog for more information. Click on the link below that video. Have a nice weekend and see you very soon next week. Bye bye.